Hey there, ready to unlock the secrets of relations and functions? It's not as scary as it sounds. In fact, it's all about connections, and you'll see them everywhere once we get started. So, what exactly are relations and functions? Simply put, a relation is a link between two sets of things. A function is a special kind of relation where each input has only one output. This is a cornerstone for many other math topics in ICSE, so let's nail it. Let's start with relations. Think of them as sets of paired items. A relation from set A to set B is really just some pairings picked from all the possible pairings between A and B, and remember, the order of these pairs matters. Okay, let's define two key terms. The domain is all the possible starting points, or inputs, of your relation. And the range is all the possible ending points, or outputs. Domain, what you put in. Range, what you get out. Now for functions, the most important thing to remember is that each input can only have one output. Imagine a machine. If you put in the same thing, you should always get the same result. That's a function. Here's the key formula for functions. F, x, equals y. F is just the function's name, x is your input, and y is the output you get. This formula tells you that for every x, there's only one possible y. There are different types of functions, one-to-one, onto, and bijective. A one-to-one function means each input has a unique output. An onto function means that everything in your possible outputs actually gets hit. Bijective is both. Another important idea is function composition. It looks like this, f(g) x equals f(g) x. This means you first do the function g on x, and then you take that result and do the function f on it. Here's a common mistake, mixing up relations and functions. Remember, every function is a relation, but not the other way around. Examiners love to trick you with this. Use the vertical line test on a graph to check if it's a function. Let's try a quick problem. Question, is the relation 1, 2, 2, 3, 1, 4 a function? The answer is no, because the input 1 gives you two different outputs, 2 and 4. That breaks the rule for functions. Here's a real-world example, barcodes. Each barcode uniquely identifies a product. So, a product code maps to all the details about that product. Functions are used all the time in stores. Here are some quick exam tips. First, always check the function definition carefully. Second, know the different types of functions and what makes them special. Third, practice drawing graphs of functions to help you visualize them. So, to recap, relations are connections between sets. Functions are special relations with unique outputs for each input. And knowing the different types of functions will help you solve problems on the exam. And the best part? You can get all of this, AI notes, doubt solving, and practice tests for relations and functions, for free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Ready to ace relations and functions for ICSE? Start free today at synapse.omups.in. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.